Velocity Invitational. Why did you just kick me?
Because I felt like it.
EJ, you can't park there. All right, welcome back everybody to the channel. Welcome to T-Stone Approved. It's been crazy. I know I was putting out videos, but I needed like a mental break for a month, so we did it. But to come back in style, we have EJ. Here's EJ.
Hi.
If you guys know about my little sparkly red Jeep that is fully wrapped, some people think it's not. EJ wrapped it for me.
That's right.
We're here kicking things off. We're at Sonoma Raceway right now. There is a really cool event called the Velocity Invitational. Long story short, Porsche Sprint Challenge North America is here. Drew's a safety car. You guys are gonna see some cool things. He's actually gonna let me get in there. It's kind of like bring your work to wife day, or wait, wife to work day. Where's he at? Oh, you're gonna stop by. But yeah, so we're gonna check out some cool stuff, see what we get into.
That's right, ma'am.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hi,
Hi, how's it going?
do I get a poster?
Yes, you do, of course.
Wonderful, thank you so much. Here you go, would you like a
I
poster?
have plenty of posters. Do you want more posters?
Would you like a poster?
I have like 50.
Here you go, sir, poster.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
5 years of Drew driving the truck. Yeah.
That's what they're celebrating.
So I just found one of the hottest drivers ever. I'm gonna have him sign my poster. I think this is where he's gonna be. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, can you sign my poster?
I don't have a pen.
I have a pen right here.
I don't have a pen.
Thank you, please sign my poster.
You can't hand it with a loose cap. That's dangerous. What do I make it out to?
Could you please make it out to Tiffany Stone? T Stone. Oh, how'd you
Is
know?
that your real last name?
That is my real last name. Thank you so much.
Oh, it is? Oh, okay.
Thank you. One of the coolest things about Velocity Invitational isn't just the race cars on track. It's getting up and close to machines that helped write the earliest chapters of automotive history. The Ragtime Racers collection features cars from the early 1900s, when the automobile was still a brand new invention and racing was often little more than speed, bravery, and mechanical creativity. But one of the most fascinating vehicles, and probably my favorite vehicle of the entire show, was the Hall Scott Special. In 1916, Colonel Hall designed a race car to compete in the 1917 Vanderbilt Cup using one of the company's massive aircraft engines mounted in a modified REO chassis. However, the original race car was never actually built, but decades later, it was recreated from the original engineering drawings using authentic 1917 era components. Now, after standing next to these cars and watching them on the track, it's easy to see why these Ragtime Racers are such a highlight of Velocity Invitational. Now, they're not just automobiles, and old automobiles at that. They are rolling pieces of history that show you just how ambitious and innovative the earliest engineers and racers really were. EJ's on the mission. What are we on the mission for?
We are finding the coolest race cars here at the Velocity Invitational.
So, if you had to pick out your very, very, very favorite race car, what would you
Yeah, good question. I'm really eyeing these Austin Minis over here. They just look like an absolute blast to drive on the track. It's like literally the smallest little car you've ever seen, like a go-kart. Has to be so fun to drive.
All right, let's go find one.
Okay. I'm an idiot because we just literally watched them at the start line. So they are all on track right now.
They're the ones going vroom vroom.
They are. Okay, question for you. Hypercar, supercar, or vintage? What are you picking?
I'm picking a vintage trophy truck.
Okay, I like it.
Insert vintage trophy truck right over here.
I don't think there are any here.
Yeah, there are.
Where?
Over at the Ultra 4 area.
Were there vintage ones?
No, but they're real race cars.
Now, Miss Tiffany, you have a race car, you're driving a race car. Do you prioritize aesthetics or do you prioritize performance?
I would prioritize performance, But let's be real, in the Jeep I go about 2 miles per hour.
Hell yeah.
So that's, I mean, like,
It's performance,
it's performance
at a different speed.
At a different speed. So we found a car from EJ's past life.
Yes.
This
Back
GTR.
Back in the JDM days.
Back in the JDM days. All right, so EJ, what is
Yeah. It's a GTR R33. It's hot, midnight purple.
this? Is it?
Yes, that's like OG. It doesn't get much better than that. This is a classic. The JDM classic. I would drive any day of the week.
Ooh, this is nice.
Right? It's like a color shift paint. In some light it's purple, in some light it's dark blue.
Wow.
Some light it's black.
It's got 5,800 miles.
Damn, that's nothing.
$6.
I got 10. I got 10 in my pocket for this car.
$10
right now.
hard cash.
What are you waiting? Cold hard cash.
Cold hard cash.
What are you waiting?
Insert the dollar right here. You know, but I'll take this one, the Ferrari.
Is this you?
No, actually that's me.
What?
The Mach 1.
Ooh, all right. Little muscle car action?
It is a little muscle
Little
car
muscle
action.
Car mommies would be your new username. Muscle
Mommies
car
with a Z.
mommy.
No, it's got the Cobra Jet. I'm assuming it's a 428 in a Mach 1. The red and black. Oh, it is a 428. Look at that V8.
Wow.
Wow, 69.
California owner, high bid, 82.
$82,000.
Woof.
Damn!
Is it worth it?
Let's
I
look.
don't
Let's
know.
look inside. I think it's worth it. It is the T-Stone colors. It is red and black. It's got some nice interior.
It is pretty nice.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie.
2 idiots later.
All right, EJ, we're heading up.
We're all going upstairs together.
We're going to race control. Elevator number 1.
Remember that time
Woohoo!
Morgan got stuck in this elevator?
Oh,
No,
why would you say that right before we're getting
Right?
in the elevator, dog?
I don't want to get stuck in this elevator.
Yeah.
Sweet, babe. Race control. There he is. There he is. Did you create a heart? All right, so we're going to show you the easiest way to check out this entire Velocity Invitational, kind of see all the cars, what you're going to do, and that's thanks to Drew and the DAX. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Be right back, guys.
Nice car.
This is awesome. This is fun. Excuse me, sir, you can't park there. Man, who let a Toyota in?
That's rough. It's a legend.
This is
T-Stone approved.
Velocity Raceway. Come see the action.
Velocity Invitational.
Oh yeah,
It's
I'm not a
Sonoma Raceway, Velocity
I got it
Invitational.
all
Why
fucked
did
up.
you just kick me?
because I felt like it.
This is called the stand.
You know, man spreading.
Whoa! All right, everybody. So, of course, I come to the West Coast, and who do I find? Scott Birdsall.
I'm
Scott,
basically everywhere.
you
so.
are basically everywhere. Scott, we've talked many of times. You brought out the fastest mini truck that I think I've ever seen, ever heard about. So give us a quick rundown about this.
So this is the Amsoil Inc. land speed scaping truck, and it is a 1,500 horsepower, 252 miles an hour mini truck that we built for Bonneville. So it is currently the fastest mid mini truck in the world.
If people don't know, what exactly are we looking at?
So it's a 1991 Toyota Hilux.
Okay.
It's got a 1500 horsepower Dart 2JZ in it, a 6-speed sequential from 6XD, and all of the highest motorsport components you can put on a landscaping truck. This was our garbage truck at the shop, and it was a landscaping truck before that, so we call it the Landspeedscaping truck.
I like that. If you guys haven't seen about it, Anna, insert some things right here. Perfect. So, Scott, with that being said, top speed.
Top speed on this truck?
Yes.
252 miles an hour, and it holds the records at a two-way average at Bonneville of 239 miles an hour.
And you have plans to kind of go back for 2026?
Yes.
And what type of top speed are you trying to get there?
So we are going to go back in Bonneville this year and hopefully get 270 miles an hour, because that will make it the fastest truck of all time at Bonneville.
Wow, really?
Yeah, so the fastest full body truck at Bonneville right now is 262, and we're going for 270.
Only eight more? Why not like 10 more?
Because
Do things get sketchy after that?
so it's sketchy already.
Okay.
So at 252 miles an hour, I'm making some pretty severe like steering corrections just to keep it going straight. So we're gonna add weight to it, do a little mods to it, try to change it up a little bit, but
Okay.
I just want it to be the fastest. That way I can retire the truck for myself, and I'm gonna race a 300 mile an hour Super next year.
Okay.
And then my daughter Olivia will be taking the wheel in 2027 and hopefully be the youngest female record holder ever at Bonneville.
Scott, if we want to find out and kind of watch your journey, where are we going to find this out at?
Any socials, it's at Chuckles Garage. We've got YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, all that good stuff. So at Chuckles Garage, you can watch all the racing effort, and hopefully we get 270.
I love that. And if you guys are watching this and you've seen that SEMA episode from 2025, I'll put it right over here. You're going to see where we did the interview and Scott was talking about Old Smoky. If you don't know about Old Smoky, check that out. But Scott, thank you so much for your time.
Let's go. Oh wait, here, this is it right
Oh, shoot. I'm not going to get, Scott, we're not going to get back up again. That's it? That's all this is a video. All right, so since it's take your wife to work day, Drew drives a safety car. And he said that I get to ride right seat with him today. All right, babe, I'm so excited. So we're in here, getting ready. So what are you doing now?
Setting up our GPS map so that we know where we are and where the cars are on the track.
And, oh, okay, so Velocity at Sonoma. So what's your get ready music?
Good afternoon, and we are 2 minutes away from moving cars.
There are racetracks, and then there's Sonoma Raceway. Since its opening in 1968, Sonoma Raceway has become one of the most iconic road courses in America. Set across 1,600 acres of California wine country, the 2.52-mile circuit features 12 turns and more than 160 feet of elevation change. Those blind corners, technical sections, and dramatic elevation changes have challenged some of the biggest names in motorsports for decades. Today, it's home to everything from NASCAR and NHRA to historic racing events like Velocity Invitational, where automotive history comes alive on one of the most demanding tracks in the country. All right, you did your first lap, you won. How are you feeling right now?
I take the checkered flag sometimes. That's what they mean by when they say I win.
You are a winner, babe, in my heart. You're welcome.
You should do that when they're coming around here and then pan up and then go boom, 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 boom.
You didn't tell Anna to do that?
No, you do it.
Anna, Drew wants you to,
She can't work that kind of magic.
when 295 comes around, I'm supposed to go up to here and she's going boing, 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 boing,
but don't
boing,
make
boing,
her-
boing, 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 boing.
Don't make her watch 2 minutes of boring footage.
All right. So that was pretty awesome. Look at that. We won, babe.
We didn't win.
Oh, we didn't win?
No.
Oh, either way. Wonderful. Such a good time.
Let's do it again tomorrow
We're going to do it again tomorrow.
and for the rest of my life.
All right, so big shout out to EJ coming out and visiting. I mean, this is kind of her backyard.
It is. So technically, thank you for coming to visit.
Well, there we go. But I will see you guys on the next one. Once again, thank you for always liking, subscribing, doing all the things you got to do. And I think this is it. But yeah, I think Drew and I are going to go wine tasting next. So if you like wineries and see what I have to say about them, we'll catch you guys on the next one. See you guys later.
Bye.
Five minutes later.
Something happened. EJ, you can't park there. EJ, you can't park there.
This is like the worst place for that to happen.
I don't know why you didn't pull in right back there.
I was thinking about it and then